Are you ready to rev up?
Yeah.
Are you? This is going to be a kick in the pants now. Here you go. Spread your legs apart. Pelvic tilt. Use your buttocks. Come up and down. Wiggle up, down. Nice and slow. Let's use some movement in the upper body. Shrug down. Shrug to press. We want to warm up the upper body. Then we'll hit the lower. Okay, rotate. Shoulders around and
Ooh,
around.
I can feel that already.
I
love it. It's good.
Here's 4 more. 3, 2. Now just pull your arms apart. Out, in. And depress your shoulders. It ain't this. This is not good. Now pull those arms up about chest high and focus on your upper back. Pull your shoulder blades together. Pull them together, apart, together, apart. Shoulder blades. We really want to loosen up out there. Up. Okay. Last 3, last 2, last 1. Give me double time. That's it. All right. Now reach up and up. We want to put a little distance between your fist and your hip. Here's 4, 3. Now just take it across. That's it. We got 4, 3. Give me a step together. Okay. Hello down there.
Here we go.
Here we go. We want some blood flow. 4, 3. Circle those hands. That's it. Good. That's really what warm-up is all about, you know. Increasing blood flow. We want to shunt some of your blood from your organs to those big working muscles. Here's 4, 3. Now kick back. Means kick your bum. That's it. Good day there, hamstrings. Wake up call. And here is 4, 3, 2. Step together. Lose those hands. Good. Kick your bum. Kick, kick. And here's 4, 3. Step together. Now, kick your bum. Hold it. Here's a pattern. Single, single, double kick. Single, single. Can you do it on the floor? Single, single, double step. Single,
Oh, we're getting
single.
fancy.
Yes, now kick. Single, single, double. And try it again. Step together. Single, single, double. Single, single. Here's your last chance. You haven't got it now? Tomorrow.
Got it.
Run it over here.
And step together. Single, single, double. Single, single. Just hold this step together. Just hold single. Good. We got 4, 3. Turn it to a lunge. That's it. Just keep your feet on the floor. And put those hands right on your thighs. We got 4, 3, 2. Hold the last one and turn. You're going to use your buttocks and dip down. And pelvic tilt. Tighten the buttocks. Hands come in. Pull, reach.
I can feel that on my
pull,
quad.
reach.
It's really good.
I want you to feel it here too, in the upper part of your leg that's stretching. That's hip flexors. 4, 3, 2. Add a heel. Down, heel, down. Press your heel hard. And that's the big gastrocnemius calf muscle. Heel is flat down. 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold it right there. Bend one leg and bear weight on the bent leg. Get a little bit of hamstring stretch. Can you feel it between your knee and your buttock? Okay. Shin. This guy needs a little attention. Just tap your toe. Down, up, down, up. Double time. Here we go. Tap, 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 tap. Here's 8, 7, 6. Last 4, side to side. Good. All right. Bring your feet together and ski. All right. Show me a paddle. Got a canoe?
All right.
Yes. Here's Here's 4, 3, pull your knees up and up, up. Here's 4, 3, step together, step, step, knees again, step, step, and down. Hold it right there, hands come front. 4, 3, give me a lunge. 4, 3, hands on your hips. 4, 3, hold the last one and turn. Here we go. Dip. Now this is for the sake of your hip flexors, and we won't get those unless you really pelvic tilt. Here's 4 more. 3, 2, add a heel. Dip, heel, dip. Ooh, does my lower leg feel that? Here's 4, 3, 2, last one right there. Bear weight on the bent leg. You don't want to be pressing your straight leg into hyperextension of the knee. Delicious.
Yum, yum, yum.
Right in the back of your leg. Hamstring crosses the knee and the hip joint. Okay, here you go. You're going to tap your toe down, up, down, up. We're just making sure this guy is awake. Anterior tibialis. Double time. Tap, 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 tap. That's it. Okay, give me side to side. And here's 8, 7, 6. Good. 4, 3. Now march for me. Okay. Here you go. Here's 8, 7, and here's 4, 3. Now watch this little toe touch. Just tap out there. Here's 4, 3. March again. Now you know, you don't have to limit the intensity of your exercise to burn body fat. March again. If you work intensely, like we do on Rev Up, and you burn the same calories as someone who works less intensely, but for a longer time, you'll lose the same amount of body fat. Don't worry. Here we go.
It's not wasted, eh?
8. It's not wasted, and it'll come off your waist.
Good.
And here's 4, 3, 2, and actually it comes off throughout your body. It comes off where the fat stores are.
No spot reducing.
No spot reducing.
Oh, it even
I'm
comes off your
sorry.
cheeks.
Okay, march forward. Give me heels. March back. And give me heels again. March forward. Where are those heels? Okay. March back. Give me side steps. Hands are side, feet are side. March forward.
We're getting to some aerobics here.
Your heart rate going up?
Yeah,
I can feel those little calories just leaving my body.
In a minute, in a minute. All right. And the side. We're going to put it together. March back to the side. March forward to the front. Okay. And there's the front. Try it once more. Back and side. Well, you know, I really believe in cross-training. So one day you really gun it, you get it done intensely and fast. And the next day you take it slower and easy. Hold it side, hold it. 4, 3, pull your knees up. 4, 3, side step. 4, 3, knees. Again. 4, 3, up. Now give me 2s, 2 of each. If you work out very intensely every day, you set yourself up for injury. If you work out at low intensity every day, you set yourself up for boredom.
Yes, I'll say.
1 of each per leg. Out, in.
Oh, you're trying to confuse us.
I am. That is my goal. 4 more. 3, 2. Hold the knees. Hold it. Good. Ready to jump?
All right.
I know Renee's ready to jump.
Time.
Okay, just let those hands go. 4, 3, 4 on one side. 4 in the center. Other side. Okay, that's the foot pattern. So, when you work out at low intensity, you burn more fat. High intensity, you burn more carbohydrate. Add a circle. But know ye that your body doesn't care whether you're burning fat or carbohydrate. It all equals reduced body fat.
Well, so that's why you said at the top that you're still burning
That's
the same amount
right.
of calories, just different sources.
And even if you burn carbohydrate, you're still going to replenish that from fat stores, right?
That's right.
So it's all going to come from fat
So it's
eventually.
all good news.
Absolutely,
Yeah, all good news.
absolutely. Give me sidekicks. You know, there was for a while this feeling that you mustn't work out intensely because you wouldn't lose fat. Well, that's inaccurate.
Right.
Wrong. Okay. Next time in the middle, we're going to give arms down. And again. Up. Side kicks. And one side. Here we are. Well, is this predictable or what?
I got the pattern, I think, Charlene.
Predictable. Don't change
If
it.
you're real sure of it, Lonnie, I'll change it. Heels.
Oh, you would do it.
Heels again. All right. This time, jumping jacks. Out. Good. Knees. On those jacks, practice good technique always. Make sure your heels are down, knees are bent. All right.
Feels good.
Last time. Hold those jacks. Hold it.
This I can handle.
Here's 4, 3, give me a stride. Now, a little rhythm play here. We got 4, fast, 4, slow, watch out.
Did we get it? Yes.
Fast,
You look more surprised than we do.
slow. I have the greatest confidence. 4, fast.
Your facial expression didn't show it.
Do I belie my words? 4, fast. Okay. Can you jumping jack it? 4, fast, slow. Try it again. 4, fast, slow. All right, smarty pants, can you jog it? 4, fast.
You're testing
Now
me.
slow.
Oh, are we good?
Again. 4, fast, slow. Okay, let's put it together with a stride. 4, fast, slow it down. Jumping jacket. 4, fast. Now slow. Now jog it. 4, fast. And slow. And jump it. Now if you've got some room there, move it backwards and forwards. Here we go. Stride forward.
Watch that
And
coffee
slow.
table.
Yes. And jump it. We've had more than one bloody shin, haven't we? With those darned old coffee tables. Jog back. Now slow. And jump. Shall we go once more time for good
Sure,
measure?
we'll do it.
Yeah, one more time.
What? Slow. What's next? What's next? Jump. Yay. What?
Slow.
Slow.
What's next? Jog. Yeah, jog. stride. Just hold it here. Good work. Okay. We got 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Pull the hands together. There you go. Those are scissors. All right. There's 8, 7. Now hold those hands. Don't lose the faith. Side kick. 8, 7. That works.
So
now,
far.
Pull up your knees. Okay, Lake Louise. Ski it. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Stride. How'd you do?
Made it.
Okay, moguls. Black diamond. We got 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, side kick. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Show me those knees. Up.
Okay, where are we going to ski it now?
Yes, ski it out. Here you go. Black diamond, aggressive. Come on. Wait. 4, 3. Stride for 4. Kick for 4. Knees for 4. And ski. Good work. Hold the stride. All right, now what I want you to do is bring both hands up at the same time. There you go. Yes?
So far, so good.
Stride. We got 4, 3. Hold the hands and lunge side to side. Good. Okay, hold the hands, scoot back. Oh, if you've got shag carpet, we're in trouble.
The end of the carpet.
Knees are up. Good. You know, exercising at 80-85% stride of your age-predicted maximum heart rate is not easy. Lunge.
And then when you add carpet to it.
In the beginning, scoot, you may have to cheat a little bit. You know, you might want to give it your best shot, knees, at the beginning, and then halfway through start cheating. And you know what happens over time? You get stronger. You just don't have to cheat. Turn. Good. 4, 3.
I thought they said
Hup.
cheaters never prosper.
Not true in aerobics. And knees. Just going the distance has some value. Here we go in sets of 4, 3, and lunge. 4, 3, and scoot. So that you might work intensely in the beginning and then lower your intensity toward the end until you get fit enough to hold it hard, full steam, all the way through. Last time. And lunge. Hold the lunge. 4 to one side. Yes? Other side. Adding on 4 lunges, 4 knees, right there.
All
Good.
right.
Up. Other
Good
side.
cardio.
4 knees. Again. Yes. Again. 4, 3. You got to open your mouth and breathe deep. Shallow breathing is not for intense exercise. Sets of 2s. Knee. Can you do singles? All right.
You're asking a lot.
Uh-oh, we lost Di.
Hands allowed. Everyone
Diane.
3 more. Hold the knees. Hold. Good work. Give me 5. Diane buys a beer.
No, Dan, buy champagne.
Oh, champagne. Diane buys champagne. We got 4, 3 side kick. There we go. And here's 4, 3. Well, if you can side kick, you can front kick.
I can do it.
4, 3, lunge. Up. Good.
I think you set this all up for me. Make it simple, right?
knees. Here it goes. Single, single, dodge first. Single.
Why did you say that, Lonnie?
Side kick. Single, single, double. Single, single, and the front kick.
Well, Charlene said
Single,
something about
single.
opening up your mouth.
It never pays to get cocky. Lunge. Up. Try it again with the knees. Single, single, double. Single, single, side kick. Golly, you know something? I love heavy exertion. I mean, I can't do it every day. That would be probably foolhardy. But on the days it's time to train hard knees, I love it.
That's called masochism.
No, it's not.
It's called
It's called
fun.
fitness. Are we going to have to scrape you off the floor? Are you wilting?
I'm here, come on.
Lunge. Single, single, double. Okay, here's your last time through. Knees. Yes? What's next? Side kick. And last front kick. Up, up. That's it. Okay. And hold those kicks. Good. Now your hands go side 4, front 4. Here we go. Here's 4, 3, 2, front. 4, 3.
Oh,
So
she's gonna do it again.
that's the hand pattern.
Something is coming
Now
up.
side kick. And front kick.
Now this makes sense to me. The feet and the arms doing the same thing.
Okay, well, oh dear, then we're in trouble later. Okay, jumping jacks. Side jumps, front jumps. Put it all together. Side kicks. Front kicks. That's it. Side jumps. Front jumps. You got it. Yes. Now listen. If the distance we go, the duration we go on aerobics is a little bit much for you in the beginning, you know, there's nothing wrong with doing half the aerobics, fast forwarding to the cool down and cooling it right there and doing your stretch. And then later on you can go 3/4 through the aerobics all the way finally. Here's your last time. Now, the last two components, the jumps, we're going to hold. Jump front. Give me 2 jacks, side, 2 front, 1 of each. 8, 7, 6, 4. Good. Hold those hands and jog. 8, 7. Good work.
All right.
All right. Woo. Show me that combination jack. Yes? Well, you got that one down, Pat. Now scoot back. This is to let a little impact off your lower body. And combination jacks right there. Good. Use the whole room. Jog forward. You look good.
Ooh, that feels good.
You do. Combination right there. Side, front, side, front. All right, scoodle toodle. Learn more. Combination. 8, 7. Good. All right, try it in sets of 4. Counts of 4. 3. Jack. 4. 3. Last time. And combination.
Boy, I can feel this one.
Hold the jog. Hold it. Good. Okay. Pull your knees up. Knees up. And lose your hands.
Yeah.
4, 3. Give me 4 to one side. Yes. Guess what? Guess what?
Confusion, right?
In the center. Guess what? Other side. Watch your hands in and out, together and out, together. Lose the hands. All right, other side. Up, up. Lose the hands. Now,
You can feel the effect of those arms.
Crossover. Wow! That's getting into the heavy cardio. Up. All right. Up. Crossover. Arms and legs. Good. Breathe deep. You want to process
We should try doing this one in
much
twos or
oxygen
something.
as possible. Sounds good? 2 counts. And again.
And it works.
Yes. Hold the knees. Hold it. Hold it. Heels. Woo.
Oh, I can feel it.
Feels wonderful.
It's happening here.
Okay. Catch your breath. And open up your hands. Yes? Now, we're going to make this fun. You're going to shift your weight hard. Here we go. In. 4, 3. Now shift. Out. Out. Better, huh? Single. Single. Double. Single. Single. Double. Woo! I do like that one. Single. Single. Double. Here's the last set. Okay.
That's intense.
Just bounce. Now, we're going to do 4 bounces one way and 4 back. Add a clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Yes. Yes. Now add a bum kick. Up. 1, 2, 3, kick. You got it? Okay. Add a heel. 1, 2, heel kick. Heel kick. 4 more. 3. Okay. Hold these kicks. 8, 7, 6. Good. Try it in the front. Lose the clap. Good. 4, 3. And the back. 8, 7. We're going to stick something in between. It's 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick and clap.
All right.
Yes. Okay. Front legs. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Give me 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Oh, I like that.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oxygen, oxygen. Back kicks. Good. 4, 3. You're going to make it rock, rock, turn. It's harder. More fun. Front kicks. 4, 3, 2. Rock, rock. Back. Notice how quiet we're getting? Busy breathing. Front. Rock. Back. Can you stand it once more through?
Once more.
Front. Last time. Give me a box step. Just step, down, step, across. Fast. Fast. Faster. Faster. Everybody, your hands. Come on, don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Listen. Okay.
All right.
I used to see the guys on the football field do that.
With tires.
I used to think it was so wimpy. And it's not.
Oh, don't bring in the tires.
Okay, basketball. You got 2 basketballs. And you're guarding that big dude. Side to side. Here's 4, 3. Bring your legs in. That's it. And just let your hands go side to side. Okay, a little higher. Yes. Higher still. Bring it around to the front. Okay. Here we go. A little more hard cardio.
Oh boy.
Fast and slow. 4, fast, 4, slow. Did you get that? Try it again. 4, fast, now slow. Hang on. Good. Try it once more. Slow. Now do it in the air, in pendulum. 4, fast, slow. On the ground, 4, fast. Now slow. Okay.
Renee, have you got
Airborne.
I've got this. I don't know for how long, but right now I've got it.
Twist. That's 2. Hold in the air. Renee, he's just antagonizing you, trying to flip you out. That's his competitive edge.
It's not too hard, actually.
That's how lawyers are, you know. 1, 2, hold, last alternating. Now hold it in the air in 2s. 1, 2. Can you do singles? 1, hold. 1, hold. Good. 4 more.
Woo! Can you believe it?
2 more. Good work, troops. Just twist it out. Okay. Watch the hands. Come around to the side. Now, bring them down. And this is the good part. This is the good news. Here comes the bad news. And 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, rest.
Oh, I was hoping you were going to put a little rush.
stampede and the horse.
8 more. Rest, rest, rest. 2 sets of 8 this time. Are you game?
Okay, partner.
Here we go. 16. Hang on. 8 more.
8 more.
8, 7. Did I count it wrong? 4, 3,
2, and
rest.
Renee wants to make sure you count properly. She's got a calculator back there.
Second set to rest. Whew. Catch your breath. This is interval training. Third set to rest. Take it. You're going to want it. Okay, ready, guys?
Let's do it.
Let's do
Reset.
it.
24. Whew. And second set, I hope you've got on good aerobic shoes and a good forgiving floor.
Get those tires
Last
in the
set.
bedroom.
This is not meant for concrete. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Catch your breath.
That's great.
Woo!
It is.
I love it.
Okay, now we're going to go from a twist to a pedal, just side to side. Okay, you know what this looks like? If you were to pick these feet up, it would be jog on spot. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, rest, rest. 2 sets of rest. Open that mouth. Again, you can't get enough air in and out through your nose. You gotta mouth breathe. 2 sets. 16. Hang on. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
We're not done yet, I bet.
3 sets.
Oh, 1 more. Oh, dear.
Why do we do this? Because intervals produce high-level fitness. I mean high-level fitness. Fast, quick fitness. High cardiovascular function. But you've got to be fairly fit to do it. Ready? 3 sets. Here's 1.
We get tired.
Okay, here's 2. I don't want to compete. I don't want to compete. Here's 4, 3, 2. I think. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Good.
I think that was definitely an interval.
That was hard.
Oh, let's catch your breath. Hang on.
That's great.
4, 3, pull up your knees, nice and easy. Woo! Now that is the sort of stuff you don't do every day. Every other day, max. Pattern. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Repeat. Woo!
Okay, Charlene, what are you going to do with the arms?
I'll say circle. You're going to circle on the double.
I knew it.
Listen, would you rather read Dick and Jane or a complicated novel. The novel, well, you may be Dick and Jane, but I love you, Riley.
You know we love it.
Try with the side kick, see if it fits you. No, you got it. Good. Alternate, here comes the knees. Single, single, arms around. Whew. Side kick. Do you guys have coffee?
I did.
No way.
Knees.
How
Well,
can anybody drink coffee?
caffeine certainly has some disadvantages, but one of the advantages is caffeine actually frees up some stored fatty acids for easy use as fuel. But you have to exercise at least 30 minutes to use that fuel.
Well, I think we've done it.
Okay, hold the knees, hold it, lose the hands. Whew. I'm feeling, we're fairly good. I feel like going on. You
Yeah,
feel like
feeling
going
good.
on?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe not too many of those high knees, but
We're going on. All right, ready? Give me your brain. Two on one side. Hands. Crossover. Okay, there's the front. Can you do it in the back?
Why, sure.
Yes. Feel a little strange?
Just a little.
In the front and the back. It's exposure, you know, in the front. Anytime you do something you've not done before, feels a little awkward in the beginning. Okay, and the back. Now, one of each. Front and back.
all right.
Front and back. Here's 4, 3, 2. Just give me a twist. Good work. All right, hold it. Now, a little play of pattern here. We got 2 slow and 4 fast. Looks like this. Slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Slow, slow. You got it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to add some heels. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, hold. Can you jog it? Here you go. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3. Again. Okay, can you jump it? Hold, hold. Again. Yes? Put it together. Jog, hold, hold. Again. Now show me those little Cossack heels. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, hold. Jumping jacks. Hold, hold. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Cossack heels. Hold, hold. Again. Okay. One time through. Jog. Cossack heels. Hold, hold. Jump. Cossack heels. Just hold this twist. What? No complaint?
It was okay.
Lose the heels.
I'm just listening to my heart rate.
Now, watch the hands. They're going to go side to side like windshield wipers. Hold them there. Come, hell or high water.
I mean, if these are windshield wipers, my car's upside down.
We got 4, 3, hold the hands, jog. 4, 3, hold the hands, jump. 4, 3, side kick. So the hands stay constant. Twist. Yes. Jog. 4, 3, jump. And
Jumping jacks are odd.
side kick.
Yeah, they're the only ones
Yeah,
that
they
are really
are.
funny.
And twist. I think it's valuable, Jog, for you to be able to do interesting and unusual things with various parts of your body. Now wait a minute. Wait a minute.
This is
Get
a
your
family show,
mind
you know.
out of the gutter, Lonnie. Mothers always do that. You're safety pinning one kid and talking on the phone. Hold it right here. Stirring the oatmeal with your foot. Hands are up. Hands are up higher. Hold it there. 4, 3, jog that. 4, 3, jump that. 4, 3, guess what? Side kick. Good. Try it again, twist. Yes. Now jog. Yes. Now jump. Side kick. Hold this twist. Bring these hands down. 4, 3, jog this. Jump this. Shoulders, let them go. Side to side kick. That's fun. Twist. Yeah, be a sloppy rag doll. Jog. Jump. Good. Side kick. All right. Twist. Good. Jog. This is the last time through. Jump. Hold this side kick. Now hands go side to side. Lend me your ears, old fellow man.
You know something's coming up.
These hands are fast, aren't they? 4, 3, slow your hands down. 4, 3, speed your hands up. 4, 3, slow them down.
So the
Now
feet
you
stay
were
the
talking
same.
about this,
That's
Lonnie.
right. This is what I thought you were really going to give me grief
Different
over. Fast. Try it with the front kick. Here you go. Slow. Fast hands. Try it with your knees. Fast hands. Try it with jumping jacks. Slow.
Whoa.
Fast hands. Okay, I give you that one. Side kicks. Okay, put it together. Fast hands. Front kicks. Slow, slow, slow. Now 4. Fast. 4, 3, jumping jacks. Whoops. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hands are fast. Good. Try the knees. Mind over matter. Creating fitness and agility. Side kicks.
Can you hear us all concentrating?
Yeah. You know what? Front kicks. The brain burns calories. Jumping jacks. Hold it. Now fast. Now show me those knees. Whoops.
No.
And I'm okay.
Uh-oh.
Side kicks.
All I have to do is say something.
Hold it, hold it. Hold it right here, hold it. Yeah, get them fast. You want to try more?
Oh, why not? Let's do it.
Okay, look. Here's the deal. We hold the hands. We'll keep that pattern. Slow your hands down. Slow them down. There you go. And we'll just add new feet. Okay? Oh, no.
What are those feet?
4, stride. Stride. Slow, slow, slow. 4 fast ones. All right, jog. Slow, slow. 4 fast ones. Heels. This is a piece of cake. That's it. But the next one is a terror. Kick back, back, back. 4 fast ones. Stride. Slow. Are you with me?
Still here.
Yes.
Jog. Slow. 4 fast ones. Heels. That one is easy. Hup. All right, here, kick back. Think now. Think. Slow. Fast. Good work, guys. Stride. 4, 3. We'll call this the last set. Jog. 4, 3. Now fast. Heels. Yes. Fast arms. And kick back. Up. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Knees up. 4, 3. Kick back. 4, 3. Knees in pattern. Single, single, double. Single, single, kick back pattern. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single,
I can feel this one again.
double.
Oh boy.
Single, single, and back. The music is a little slower. You've got time for great big movements. Single, single, double, and single, single. Hold the knees. Another pattern. Okay.
Oh boy.
Every
time you say that.
Give me your heads. Give me your brains. The hands are going to have one pattern, and the feet have a different pattern. The hands go 2 slow, 4 fast. Looks like this. Slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. 1, 2, 1, 2.
So far, so good.
Up, down, 1, 2. Let's just see if Renee's really got this.
Up, down, slow,
Okay.
slow, up,
Now.
down.
The feet go single, single, double. It is single, single, double. Single, single. Yes! Look at us! Hands up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feet, single, double. Now, what can I do to this?
You know what we should try?
What?
Something a little bit different would be good. I bet you could cross it over on the double.
Okay, let's try it. Single, single, crossover. It works! Hey! Hey!
All right.
Anybody else? Anybody else got anything?
Oh yeah, you guys be quiet now.
Last 4. Last 3. Last 2. Almost done with aerobics.
Oh, here I'm
Last
screaming
one.
at the end.
Hold the knees. Hold the knees. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right. Here's 16, 15, 14, 13. Now 12, 11, 10.
9.
Everybody. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Oh, this is great.
Oh, keep your legs moving. Critical.
Oh.
Ready, set, count. Legs moving, giving you a 10-second rate. Stop. Well, have a look at these heart rate charts and see how you do. Ladies, there you are. Now, rev up is an advanced, challenging workout. So if you were up 85% intensity, we're going to send you a gold star. If you're not that high,
I got one.
if you're not that high, don't worry about it, because you'll get fitter and be able to work harder if you so choose. Guys, here's your heart rate.
Why the difference in the numbers?
Slower.
What's the difference in the numbers
Because
all
you
about?
guys have slower hearts.
Because our heads are slower?
Because your heads are thicker. Because men are bigger animals. Elephants have slow hearts. Hummingbirds have very, very fast hearts. Eric, you are standing in a pool of water.
Oh, I am. I'm ready to be cooled
You
down.
are soaked. Okay, here you go. 1, 2, 3, knee, both ways. And it's 1, 2, 3, knee, 1, 2, 3, knee. Hands out, in, out, in. That's it. Add 2 more knees. 1, 2, 3, knee, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. You know, the goal here is to keep your legs moving and remove some of that lactic acid which builds up during exercise. That's just a normal byproduct. Now, kick your bum. 1, 2, 3, kick, 5, 6, 7.
Ooh, I like
Got
that
it?
one.
Give me a turn. 1, 2, 3, kick, turn, and turn front. Watch
It's like a
the
Lonnie
puppy
favorite.
dogs. Watch the bookcase. That's it. 1, 2, 3, kick, and turn, turn front. Now next time, make it a step touch. 1, 2, 3, step, turn. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't you complain on this. After all that hard coordination, agility work you did, you would gripe about this? Give me a break.
It's hard to complain, isn't it?
Last time, hold the step touch. 3, 2, just march. Dive.
Yes, Charlie.
Get up here.
Oh, okay.
How do they do it in Australia?
Oh.
More cool down. Anything you want, just keep our legs moving.
Okay, let's add a different move. Here's 4, 3. Take it back and hold. Back, hold, back. Let's
So
add the
far,
arms.
So good.
Yes. Got that?
Yep.
And a cha-cha. Yes. Got that?
Cha-cha-cha.
Okay.
Ooh,
Let's
arriba,
go to the side. Aha. Move those bodies. Last 2. Last one. Charleston.
Oh, gotcha.
Got me?
Okay. Charleston.
Here's 4 more. 3, 2. Last one, box step. Take it over. You're
Well, this
doing
box is a
great.
little easier than the last box.
Yes. 4,
I'm going to say faster, I hope.
3. Last 2. Okay, toe touch. Take it up. That's
Touch.
it.
I like that.
Can we do it again?
4. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. From the top. Back. Arriba, arriba.
Brazil.
Last one. Charleston.
Whoops, you caught me.
Yeah, I caught you.
You did.
Last one. Box step.
Over and over and.
2 more. Last one. Toe touch.
Yep.
Did you do it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
March. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. We got 4, 3. Just give me little kicks. 4, 3. Double
that
it up.
feels
Double
good.
it up. 2. A leg. 2. A leg. 4 kicks. Double up. The pressure's on dive. 2. 2. And kick. 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 2. Knees. Here we go. Knees. Double it up. And last time, knees. Double it up.
Doubles.
And just march it out. March it out. Okay. Now, Eric, bless his heart, has tried and tried to teach us how to be funky. He is the funk dude. And here's what Eric does. He goes 4, 3, 2, 1, step, touch, okay? So far?
Oh, sure, that's good.
4, 3, 2. No, wait. Watch the hands. 4, 3, 2, 1, and clap.
Oh, yeah.
Now, look at Eric and watch his head. Woo! It's the wave! And for the life of me, I cannot do that.
No, I can only do the fish. Fish out.
The dead fish. Here you go. Head. I mean, Eric,
It's
I
all in
just
the attitude.
the attitude. I've got the attitude. I haven't got the neck. Last time. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, side, back, step. Out, side, back, step. Out, side, back. Out, side, back, step. Hands. This is Eric's.
I knew it.
Out, side, back, step. Out. You know, when you have potluck dinners, well, this is a potluck workout. Everybody contributed.
But everybody likes potluck anyway.
Last set. Last time. Okay, just march. Spread your legs. Way apart. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Bring them in. 8, 7, 6. Almost done. Spread them apart. 4, 3, and bring them in. Did you know that you will actually burn more calories if you exercise in a cool environment? Sets of 2. And singles. Out and in, and you are done. Less stretch.
Charlene, how does that work?
Oh, the cold? Stretch your calf muscles. Press your heel to the floor. Well, cold
induces thermogenesis, or the production of heat, so that you can survive. Yeah, so look, Deb, you've got higher metabolism from your energy expenditure from your exercise. You got higher metabolism from the cold. Can you think of one more thing that increases metabolism?
By eating.
That's right.
Yeah.
You wouldn't you know a nurse would know that?
You know, I bet a lot of people aren't aware of all those, though. That's great.
That's why it's, you know, if you're really keen to reduce your fat mass, you might as well pull out all the guns and make it as effective as possible. So, if you eat something, now let's do your hamstrings, within 2 hours of your workout, you bring in dietary-induced thermogenesis, so there's another production of heat. Heat expended equals calories expended. Press your sternum down toward your thigh. Can you feel that in your hamstrings?
Oh, can I have her?
Yes. Those
It's thanking me.
hamstrings that's a muscle group that gets over tight easily. Come forward to stretch your hip flexor, press it toward the floor. And then raise your trunk up erect and really put the screws to that hip flexor stretch. Let's turn around on the other side and do hamstring. Is your knee on something soft? Good, because that old patella is just not made to crunch on concrete. If you've got a shag carpet, that's okay. Press right down there. Now feel the stretch. Is it intense?
Oh, that's great.
Because, you know, we're so hot now. We've got so much blood flow that you're safe to take the stretch. Make it intense. Not painful. Don't push it that far, but so that it really feels intense. And if you've got time to stretch even longer, go back and hold these positions again. Hip flexor, it's groin toward the floor. You get a good stretch down, and then when you raise your trunk up, you can really add it in there. Now these quadriceps, the muscles on the front of your legs that work in opposition to the hamstrings, they worked hard too. So we'll hit them last of all. Get down here, right in line with one leg, and tighten those buttocks. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good work. Guys, you did well. Hang in there, troops.
All right.
Let's try the other side.
Exercise wear by Gilda Marks, the exercise wear with a breathables lining. Our thanks to the folks at Jerome and About Face who make us look as good as we feel.